It's the third day of Missouri turkey season. We came down here to my food plot to set. On the way in, about 400 yards away from here, we ran into a couple gobblers. They'd seen us before we got there, but been hunting pretty hard here lately. Turkeys aren't cooperating. Come into my food plot the second day, and he was working in and looked around and seen some jakes coming in, and they ran him off in the field. We've had that experience this year with even youth season. Gobblers coming in and some jakes start coming that way and running gobblers out of the field. We're sitting here, it's a little windy today. It rained this morning. We didn't get out. We come out here about 8:30 and seen quite a few turkeys out in fields and in different areas too far off. But we come in here and get to sit down and called a couple times, and maybe we'll get a gobbler come in here and we'll be able to get one. And not toward the weekend, Saturday, I think it's supposed to be pretty nice, and we'll probably go back down to the river farm and see if we can get on them birds. And we've got some pretty good birds down there, but river bottom turkeys are hard to hunt. They fly off the roost, and a lot of times they'll fly out in the middle of an open field. But we'll see what we can get done this weekend. But we'll sit here for a few hours. It's supposed to rain about 11:30 or so we'll see how it goes.
Meet the Smoke, the fastest bow in expedition history. At a time where average seems to be okay, Expedition Archery doesn't agree. Expedition has unharnessed the true potential of our hybrid cam system with this limited edition model. If you're serious about hunting and demand bone-crushing performance, this is your bow. Heavy arrows? No problem. Speed, momentum, and kinetic energy are all now on your side. Call your dealer today.
Confidence is key, and when bow hunting, confidence can be defined by one word: accuracy. Introducing the Thorn Expandable Broadhead. Its patented hidden blade technology guarantees field point accuracy, and the patented rip tip grabs at hide and flesh, ensuring deployment and beginning the process of devastation. Its stainless steel blades render up to a massive 2.2-inch cut. For confidence and accuracy, there is only one choice: Thorn Broadheads, the world's most accurate broadhead.
You know all the good spots. Now you're ready to put them to use. The spring line from Whitetail Greens provides 4 supreme mixes for better, faster, and longer-lasting plots. Plant the greens. Whitetail Greens.
We got a bearded hen coming here this morning. She had about a 6-inch beard and been calling just real lightly, and heard one gobble way off. I'd say probably 300 yards. And the day went on. The bearded hen, she hung around here about an hour and a half, and she just piddling around in my food plot. We just planted whitetail greens clover seed out here and sprayed it with the Nutri products. And she's just piddling around in there eating and stuff, and I'd heard a gobbler but quite a ways off, and he kept getting closer and closer, and finally he come on down in one of my lower food plots, and this bearded hen went toward him, and I called a few times my Thunder Ridge slate call, hot call, and he was gobbling, so I switched to my mouth call, and Thunder Ridge just sent me a new one. I'm pretty picky on my mouth calls, and they just sent me a new one, and I really really enjoy it. It's raspy, easy to use. You can use it light and loud, different things. But he come on out in the food plot, and the bearded hen actually went underneath my new primal platform stands that we just put up. And he come on out there strutting, and I just went in and took him. He looks like a pretty good bird. I've been hunting. Today's Thursday. Season started Monday, and I just had a lot of good encounters, even in youth season. But I've had a big trouble with the jakes coming in here and running the gobblers off. I had this gobbler in here once a couple days ago, and a bunch of jakes come in here and run him off. And so I was glad to get him this morning. We'll get everything put up here and get down, and we'll see what we got over there.
1,800 miles, 20,000 seeds, 847 shots, 11 stands, 48 shooting lanes, 21 days, 183 hours logged, one opportunity. Trust only 1 cent. Nose down cents.
This is the 4th day of Missouri turkey season, spring turkey season, and been pretty tough the first part of the season. We had some gobblers come in, real good gobblers, and had a tough time. The jakes kept running them off, and they come in strutting, and they'd run off gobblers and different things. And then yesterday, I ran across this gobbler. He was with another one. He was too far, and they spotted me and went on. And this morning I went back down to my food plot where we'd planted the whitetail greens clover and sprayed it with the neutral products, plot. It's coming up pretty good, and we've got our extreme hunting 365 mineral out there, and actually had a 6-inch bearded hen this morning in the mineral. And she'd spent a lot of time out there, probably 2 hours or so. I heard this gobbler gobbling way off in the distance, and he finally got closer, and the bearded hen had left the field and went toward him, and she actually brought him back. He come in just like we want him to, and it was about a 35-yard shot. I started hunting this year with the Savage Renegade 12-gauge 3-inch with the Winchester XX Magnums, and real good shells and good gun. But super proud of this bird. He's an inch spurred, 10-inch beard, just a real pretty good, healthy bird. Really happy with him. And we've got 2 more weeks. I can't hunt until Monday. We've got 2 more weeks. I'll probably go take my grandkids or take Ashley, try to get them on some birds. It's just real tough. He gobbled once this morning at daylight. He didn't gobble, that was about 300 yards away, and he didn't gobble again until he was about 100, 150 yards away, and an hour and a half later. So it's pretty tough, but super happy to get him, and really enjoy the Thunder Ridge Custom Calls. He's out of Georgia. I used his pot call this morning and had him gobbling and coming on in. Just super happy. We'll just move on to the next.
American, ground and pound, don't mess with me, I'll knock you out. Got two fists that's hard as steel. If the right one don't get you, then the left one will. I'm a fighter till my dying